Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Playwright test dashboard detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into the Playwright test dashboard, first, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Playwright dashboard. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the Login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, type your password in the corresponding field. Ensure that you've entered both your email and password correctly. If you prefer to stay logged in, check the Remember Me option. Once you've filled in your details, click on the Sign In button. Wait for a moment as the system processes your login request. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the Playwright test dashboard. In case of an incorrect login attempt, an error message will appear. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Follow the prompts to reset your password via your registered email. After successfully logging in, you'll have access to all dashboard features. Explore the dashboard to start managing your Playwright tests effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.